Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Talking Chronos. Today we're going to be taking a look at a rubber strap upgrade for my Omega Seamaster 300M. I've been on the search for a rubber strap that's a little bit more unique versus the OEM rubber straps from Omega, and I found the perfect upgrade. The rubber strap is from a company called Monstraps, who's based out of Singapore. I actually came across them on Instagram, and they have a terrific gallery of strap options for a variety of watches, and I decided to give them a try. So let's go and get this unpackaged and get it onto the watch. Well guys, I'm really impressed with the packaging here. Each strap is very well packaged and is actually presented very nicely, so you can see each of the straps here, front and back, and it has a clear thick case with buttons that snap really nicely. If you notice here, there are spring bars included. Please keep in mind that you have to request these from Monstraps if you like them. Okay, so let's take a look at the strap in a little bit more detail. So this is what they call the hybrid rubber strap for the Omega Seamaster. It's made out of FKM rubber on the bottom lining and a Navy Blue Nylon pattern on the top layer. So if you can see there's actually stitching here, and I'll try to get up close for you guys. There is nylon blue stitching on the top layer, and the bottom is that FKM I mentioned. So I'm actually really happy to use FKM rubber for this strap. FKM rubber is most commonly used in the aerospace industry due to its improved resilience to UV rays, extreme temperatures, and mechanical stresses, chemicals, and seawater. It is also vastly superior to silicone and also natural rubber. The strap is extremely soft and pliable, and it's extremely comfortable on the go. So if you take a look here, I can flex this thing. It's going to be very comfortable on the wrist here. It's designed to be an integrated fit with the Seamaster, and it's actually also fully waterproof. So let's quickly go over the specs of the strap. It's going to fit wrists from 5.5 to 8 inches. The straps taper from 20 millimeters at the lugs down to 18 millimeters at the clasp. And one thing to note is that it actually has curved ends, so it's going to fit your watch nice and snug without any of those unsightly gaps. The strap is 105 millimeters or 100 millimeters measured to the end of the strap before the curvage, and without including the clasp. It has 7 tear-resistant pinholes, and it features a deploying clasp, which is made out of 316L stainless steel. So before we remove the original bracelet and install this new strap, let's gather the necessary tools. You're going to need a spring bar tool. You're going to need those curved spring bars they include. You're going to need that new strap, and of course your watch. So removing the bracelet is actually fairly simple and straightforward. You want to pretty much just depress the spring bars here at the ends. You want to kind of put pressure on the other side as you're working through it, and just remove the spring bar from one side to the other. We'll go ahead and work on the other side here. Just like that. All right, so when installing this new strap, you want to make sure that the clasp is facing upwards, same side as the Omega strap. That will allow for the proper orientation and installation of the clasp and usage. So installing the strap, you're just going to do the opposite. You put the curved spring bar tool in. You want to get that curved end into the position, and you just want to depress the spring bar in until you hear the click. Boom, and that's it. We'll work on the other side right now. And that's that, guys. All right, guys, so let's actually put this clasp on. So you want to just depress that so it opens up fully, and you kind of just slide it through this guide here, and you want to just get it in with a little pressure. Just kind of guide it through to the pin buckle you think is going to fit your wrist, and of course make adjustments as needed. I'll just keep it there for the time being. We'll make some adjustments as we go. Wow guys, this thing is amazing. I mean, just take a look at that level of detail with the nylon stitching. Just gives it that extra pop, a little bit of contrast with the different blues. It actually matches very well with the blue bezel and just how the light hits it. It gives it that two-tone blue effect, which is same here. You kind of see it in different shades. It matches very well on the FKM rubber. And man, this thing is just ultra pliable, very soft. The deploying clasp opens up and snaps very beautifully. Let's go and get this on the wrist for the very first time and do a wrist roll, guys. So for those of you who might wonder, I have a 7-inch wrist here, and this thing is ultra comfortable. It wears beautifully. I think this is going to be a very tough choice here between this and some other of the strap or bracelet options that I have for a daily wear. I mean, this thing is super comfortable. So this is definitely something I would recommend you guys buy if you're looking for a new strap and just something that's a little bit more unique and different. So Monstrap actually sells this for just about $100. They offer this in this blue version, they have a black version, they have also a variety of different straps for all kinds of Omegas, and I think you're going to be able to find something that matches your watch and personality perfectly. For the pre-18 model, I think this actually fits great, and it looks awesome, so highly recommended. So what do you guys think? Do you like this hybrid blue strap from Monstraps? Or would you prefer the OEM strap from Omega? Or are you gonna go with something that's really completely off the wall, like green, purple, orange, red, or something crazy? Either way, guys, let me know in the comments below, man. I would love to know what other owners are putting on their watches. Thank you again for tuning in, and if you've enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe, like, and comment. It really does help the channel out, and make sure to check out some of these other videos. Thanks again, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.